right now. So what would you like to open with the first hand? That should be easy.
One spade.
One spade. Now, when partner respond with the two hearts, what do you assume the responder is holding? For sure, 5-card suit.
Five
yes?
card. Mhm.
Now, what we don't know is what system they're playing. We have to ask partner, yes? Hopefully we agree. If they playing 2/1, that will promise 12 plus points. If they playing standard, and right now I'm gonna go over standard, not the 2/1, because it's a lot people are more newer. So I'm gonna be looking based on standard American, okay? One spade, two hearts will guarantee 5-card suit and 10 plus points. Now, if you know partner has that, what do you think I should come back afterwards?
Three hearts.
I would even be more aggressive and I would jump to 4 hearts. Even if I'm playing standard or 2/1 system, I still gonna jump to 4 hearts because I have 14 points plus 1 point for the shortness, yes? So now my hand is worth 15 points. And even if partner has 10 points, 15 and 10, it's 25. We should be in game. Is that making sense? Okay. On the next hand, what would you like to open?
2 diamonds.
2 diamonds. That is the preempt bidding, yes? Showing a 6-card diamonds, a weak hand, 5 to 10 points. How many points do I need to have to introduce a new suit over a preempt? Look at here. This is not over preempt. Here it's over preempt. Big difference, yes? So over preempt, I need to have 16 or more points. Did
Over.
everybody remember I need to have 16 or more points? No? Okay, we
What's the
better.
word you're saying? Over what? Over.
Over preempt, over week 2.
Oh, we have it. Oh, okay. We're
Okay.
learning that next week. Okay.
Yes. So 2 diamonds, 2 hearts need to be 16 or more points and always at least 5-card suit. And it's a forcing bid. Now, if I know responder has 16 points and I have none plus my shortness, I should go to 4 hearts,
Mhm.
okay? But remember, when partner bids a new suit, it is a forcing bid. On the next hand, I want to open the bidding, yes? But I cannot open the bidding with 2 clubs because 2 clubs will be showing 22 or more points. So 3 clubs opening could be done with 6 or 7-card suit. Okay, so you can open with this hand 3 clubs. One thing that I don't like students doing, it's when they preempt, do not preempt if you have 4-card major on this side. So if that was your hand, now I will pass. But if my hand is only 3 spades, like that, now I can open the bidding with 3 clubs. So don't open with the preemptive hand, week 2, week 3, if you have a 4-card major on this side. Here I only have 3, so the proper bid will be 3 clubs.
Even without 12 points?
Yep, even without 12 points. On the next hand, you have 16 points. So with 16 points, we will open the bidding with 1 no trump, yes? And partner bids 2 hearts. Don't forget, these 2 hearts, it's not natural, yes? Over 1 no trump, none of the bids are natural. 2 clubs, it's not natural because that would be statement. 2 diamonds will be Jacobi transfer showing hearts. 2 hearts show spades, yes? So we have to, even with our lousy 2 spades, we must accept the transfer and we must continue bidding the 2 spades. And then partner has to decide where they want to be playing. If they bid now 2 no trump, how many points would you expect the responder holding?
One.
10, at least 10.
Less than 10, John. Why less than 10? Because with 10 points, they will
He
go
would-
to 3 no trump. So it
Right.
has to be about 8 or 9. It says, partner, I'm almost there, but not quite there yet, okay? So this 2 no trump supposed to be promising 8 or 9 points, and only says to partner, I only have a 5-card spade suit, because if I have 8 or 9 with 6 spades, I will now bid 3 spades, okay? So 2 no trump shows 8 or 9, and giving the opener a chance to go to 3 no trump, 3 spades, 4 spades, or pass, okay? So 2 no trump shows 8 or 9 points. On the next hand, you had 23 points. So
Two
you will
clubs.
open the strong 2 clubs, yes? Because 2 clubs guarantees 22 or more points. When partner comes back with 2 hearts, remember, these 2 hearts in standard was showing 10 plus points. If you playing 2 over 1, will be 12 plus points. Here it's 16. Here could be even 0. So now that's why bridge is so difficult, yes? Because if you just remember, oh, bidding on level 2 promised 10 points or 16 points, it's not true. All depends what partner open, bless you. So
Thank
if
you.
partner open with the preempt, you need to have 16 points. If partner opens 1 no trump, the 2 hearts promise 0 points, yes? If goes 1 spade, 2 hearts, that promise either 12 points if you playing 2 over 1 or 10 if you playing standard. Over 2 clubs, 2 hearts, promising at least 8 points and a good 5-card suit. Because with less than that, bid always the waiting bid of the 2 diamonds, okay? So 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, that is the standard way. It shows nothing great to say to partner versus if you bid 2 hearts, you saying, partner, I have good 5-card suit and I'm thinking of you of a slam, okay? There is potential. So since it is a game forcing, the opener can now bid slowly. They don't have to be jumping to game and close out the auction. So they should be bidding 3 hearts to allows the responder to tell you if they have more points or do they just want to play in 4 hearts, okay? Sounds good? Okay, 2.1, you responder, 1 heart, and now even that I have fit in hearts, I only have 3 cards support. If I have 3 cards support, but somewhere between 10 or more points, you should not be jumping 1 heart to 3 hearts. The more advanced players should know that. With this hand, you should be always bidding 1 spade. Even if you're playing 2 over 1, even if you're playing standard. Now, if partner comes back, let's say with 2 clubs, now you can jump to 3 hearts. And that will tell partner, I have only 3 card raise with 10 to bet 12 points, okay? So that is the difference. Don't jump right away because that will guarantee 4. With 3, you bid a new suit first, and then you jump to 3 hearts. Again, this is more advanced way. If you just learning and you bid 1 heart, 3 hearts, I am okay with that, okay? On the next hand, 1
Sylvia,
heart,
can I ask a question?
sure.
Suppose your partner opened 1 spade with the exact same, just flip the hearts with the spades.
Yep.
Then what is your response?
Then you can bid 3. It's not a good hand, but some people, if they play Bergen raises, some
Oh.
people may jump to 4 spades. Some people might bid 3 spades, really depending, Babs, what system are you playing,
Okay.
On the next hand, 1 heart, and you have to respond.
1 no.
1 no trump. I
One note.
heard that. Yes, We are not allowed to introduce our new suit, yes? Because we don't have enough points to introduce our own suit on level 2. So our bid is 1 no trump. How about on the next hand? 1 heart,
4 points.
2 hearts,
Four,
yes?
6, 2 hearts.
2 hearts, because we can give ourselves extra 3 points for that shortness. So now our hand went from 4 points to 7. So we want to raise partners' hearts and we can bid 2 hearts. On the hand 2.4, we have enough points for game. And you guys not playing anymore like a mama papa bridge, very simple. With this hand, you should take the time. You can bid 2 clubs. New
Clubs.
suit, it's forcing, yes? Partner, it's not allowed to pass you if you introduced a new suit. And now whatever partner bids, let's say they bid 2 no trump, you can still jump to 4 hearts. But
4 hearts.
now, the reason why you bid the clubs, in case partner was looking for a slam, yes? Or your partner may have a lot more points. By the way, how many points do you expect this 2 no trump promising?
18.
12 to 14 or.
It's not, so now, there is a big difference,
6 to
Jones,
9.
between 1 heart, 1 spade, 2 no trump. That will show 18, 19 because
Oh.
it's done with a jump. But because we already bid on level 2, and now partner bids 2 no trump, that only promise 12 to 14 points.
Oh,
Okay? Big difference, okay?
I see.
Partner
Yes,
bids on level 2, your 2 no trump only promise 12 to 14.
I see. Okay. Yeah.
On the next hand, 1 heart, and just like here, we should not forget to count points for shortness, yes? So now our hand is worth 10 plus points, which is 10 points. So we should jump to 3 hearts.
2,
Now,
3.
some of you guys learn with me losing trick count. You guys remember? The losing trick count method, it's by looking at the top 3 cards in each suit. And if you're missing ace, king, and the queen, those are losers. So let's practice on hand 2.5. How many losers do I have in spades?
1.
1. I will highlight it for you. So again, we only looking at the top 3 cards. And since we only have 1 card, it's 1 loser. In hearts, we are missing 3 cards, the
Three.
ace, king, and the queen. So that's 3 losers. In diamonds, we're missing 2. We're missing ace and the queen. So that's 2 losers. And in clubs, we're missing king and the queen. So that's 2 losers. So if I count my losers, how many losers did I come up? 8, yes? And I know the opener guarantees me 7 or fewer. So 7 and 8 is 15. If I subtract from 18, I should be bidding on level 3. That's why I'll bid on level 3, yes? Look at the hand 2.3. Count the losers with me. In spades,
2.
2.
2,
In hearts,
3.
3,
in diamonds, 1.
1,
And in clubs,
3.
3.
3.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I know the opener promised us 7. 7 plus your 9 is
16.
16. If we subtract from 18, yes, we tell you which level we should be bidding. So we should be bidding now
Oh.
on level 2, yes?
Oh, wow.
If you look at this hand, or even this hand, okay, let's practice 2.4.
Oh,
In
wow.
spades, I have 1 loser. In hearts, I have
2.
3.
3.
I'm missing
3.
ace, king, and the queen. In diamonds,
2.
2.
2.
And in clubs,
1.
1.
One.
So it is 1, 2, 3, 4,
Seven.
5, 6, 7. And I know my partner promised me 7 losers. 7 plus 7 is
14.
14. If we subtract the 14 from 18, which level we should be ending up?
Game.
4.
4. That's why we end up being in 4. So losing trick count, it only you can use it if you find a fit, okay? If you don't find a fit, don't count losers on this hand, okay? Why? Because we may end up playing in no trump. You could count losers on this hand because you find a fit, yes?
Why are you
Here you-
subtracting?
It's a big formula. I will have to spend entire lesson on the losing trick count, but I believe
Makes
I
sense.
have some notes on it on the website about losing trick count, okay? It is a really, really good method. Okay, 3.1, 1 heart, 1 no trump. If you guys playing 2 over 1, close your ears, I will be doing standard, okay? So over 1 heart, 1 no trump. I only holding 14 points, yes? What should I be responding with 14 points?
2 diamond.
Not if you're playing standard. In
Oh.
standard, you can pass because
Yes.
the 1 no trump, it's not forcing, yes? And you know you're not gonna go to game because the responder only has 6 to 9 points. Is that making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so you will pass with this hand. Now, for the people that play 2 over 1, open your ears, yes? And now the people that play standard, close your, yes, don't listen to me now. So it goes 1 heart, 1 no trump.
That's
That's
forcing.
promise 6 to 11 and it's forcing. So here you will need to be bidding at 3 card suit, okay? So in standard, you can pass. That's the benefit of playing standard, that you can play still 1 no trump. But if you're playing 2 over 1 system, you need to be bidding 2 diamonds. Now, the good news about 3.2, I don't care what system you guys playing, it will be the same answer, okay? So what do you think? I would like you to come back. And I know most of you gonna get me this answer wrong.
From 1 heart.
1 heart partner came back with 1 no trump.
Oh,
Sylvia, I thought 3 clubs.
That's my favorite, Barbara. Good job. You made me so happy. So 3 clubs, it's a called strong jump
Jump
shift.
shift.
Yes, we need to jump because we need to tell partner that we have enough strength for game. And in order to do that, I need to be unbalanced because with balance hand, I can bid 3 no trump. Strong jump shift are shifting to a different suit versus jumping in your own suit, like on hand, this one, 3.3. Here, I will jump in the same suit. Same suit will guarantee 6 card suit and 15 to 17 points versus jumping to a new suit, promise 19 plus, okay? So that is the difference. Jumping same suit, 6 cards, and 15 to 17 high card points, okay? And 3.4, same answer in both systems. 1 heart, 1 no trump. You can mention now clubs, yes? You're not jumping, you have 4 card suit, you can always be bidding. Now,
good for
I want to see how many people noticed that I did on purpose. I gave you guys only 12 cards. Who pay attention to that? Nobody? Okay, so this is where I want the card to be. I want it to be a 4th spade, okay? So now, 1 heart, one no trump. Let's deal first with people that play standard. What would you like to be bidding?
And you show spades.
You are not allowed to be showing spades. And
Oh,
why? Because responder already denied having 4 spades, yes?
hmm.
If they had 4 spades, they will mention 1 heart, 1 spade. So the
Mm.
fact that they bypass the spades, they don't have 4 spades, yes?
I
And
see.
if you know they don't have 4 spades, and by mistake you will bid 2 spades, you will be doing the reverse bidding, which will be showing 16 or more points. So
Oh,
if
oh,
you playing standard, you will be passing. If you playing 2/1, you have to be mentioning your 3-card diamond suit, okay?
mhm.
So standard, pass. 2/1, bid 2 diamonds, but do not bid the 2 spades, okay,
I
guys?
see.
All
You
right,
bid
Sylvia,
for
in
three- Yeah. you bid-
3.4,
yeah,
why couldn't you pass the one no trump? Because you have a minimal opening.
that's okay. If whenever I have a second suit, and second suit it's lower rank than I open, I rather give my partner more, tell more about my hand.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to show my partner 5/4. Okay, on the next hand, let me just take some room away from here. That didn't help much. Okay, so hold on 1 second. Still didn't. Okay. All right. Okay. Sounds good now. On one no trump, and on all of those hands, I made you guys bid stamen.
Same.
I hope you recognize that. Yes.
Mhm. Yes.
So you bid stamen, guarantee at least 8+ points. And if you have 8, you better have good 8. Yes. And now over the 2 clubs, partner showed you 2 hearts. That means that they have 4-card heart suit. And still 15 to 17 points. So what would you like to respond now?
3. Oh,
4 hearts.
4 hearts.
4 hearts.
Because why?
Hello?
Somebody's phone, please mute
Hello?
yourself. Okay, so we want to be bidding 4 hearts because we know partner has at least 15 and we have how many points? 12 plus 1 point for shortness. It's really 13, yes? So we need to jump to 4. We have no interest in slam, so it's perfect. On 4.2, a lot of students get this one wrong. So I want to make sure that you guys gonna bid that correctly. I bet Barbara gonna give me the right answer.
But can I just
So-
ask a question about 4.1?
Yes,
When our partner comes back from our 2 club stamen and they say 2 hearts, isn't that's telling us that they either have 4 hearts
they
and
have
or
no, they have definitely Caroline 4 hearts.
But they
may
might
also
also-
have 4 spades.
4
But
spades?
because you found already a fit in the major, you're not gonna improve
Okay.
better, you are happy to stay there, okay?
So we know for sure they have 4 hearts. They may
Yeah.
also have spades. Okay.
Correct. Okay. Who, Barbara, don't answer. I know you know this
Spades.
one. I know you want to say it to me, but I want to hear from somebody else. What do you guys want to bid on 4.2?
2 spades.
Okay, nope,
3 no
No,
trump.
do no trump.
3 no trump.
it's 3 no trump. Is that
3
the
no.
right, Barbara? I knew it, you're gonna get this one. Okay, we drilled enough. We want to be bidding 3 no trump. Why are we not showing spades? Because it's so important for me to tell partner that I have enough points for game. Partner will know because I didn't support their hearts that I cannot have 4-card major, yes? 4-card heart suit, I meant to say. But they know that I ask statement and I will only ask statement if I had a 4-card major, yes?
Mhm.
So guess which major I must have when I bid 3 no trump? Spades, yes?
Spades, then they know
So-
you.
Yes. So by me bidding 3 no trump, I'm telling partner like a
um.
secret message that I have 10 or more points and I have 4 spades. So if the opener had both now,
Right.
the opener can correct and go to 4 spades.
Four spades.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
On the next hand, I'm holding only 8 high card points. I did find a fit in hearts.
Mm-hmm.
So I know I want to stay in hearts, but I don't want to go to game, correct? I need to invite my partner by bidding 3
hearts.
hearts, saying I'm almost there. But I'm worried that if you have 15 points, we cannot make a game. But if you have 17, now we can go to game, yes? Or maybe excellent 16. 2.4, I might get 2 different answers and both of them will be okay. So I will give you my version. I like to play because I don't have quite enough points per game. I like to bid 2 spades when I have exactly 8 points. And I like to be bidding 2 no trump with 9 points. You can play that way. If you playing that 2 clubs, for sure guarantee a 4-card major. Some of you may learn from other teachers that 2 clubs may not guarantee 4-card major because you may be playing a garbage statement or other conventions, then might be slightly different. But if you guys got taught by me, you will know that I teach always that you promise 4-card major, yes?
Yes.
So you can bid 2 spades with 8 and 2 no trump, you can do it with 9, okay? And our finale,
Four hearts.
Three.
4
Four
hearts. Good job, Randy. 4 hearts is the right answer. So even if I will give you 9, 8, 7, 4, do not mention the spades because if you bid 2 spades or if you bid 3 spades or if you bid 3 no trump, partner might pass you. You know you found the fit in hearts. I know you don't have strength, but partner probably gonna have a better hearts, yes? And if opponent tries to trump something, some of your winners, guess what? They have to trump with big cards versus small cards, yes? So it's not the worst. So 4 hearts here would be the right answers. Any questions from that homework? Was it a good mixture of everything?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we talk about preempts, we talk about statement, we had transfer, we had strong jump shift, we had some reverses that you cannot be bidding here. We have to remember to count that we have always 13 cards and not 12. Yes, you know me, I'm being tricky. And
I learned that yesterday.
yeah, like yesterday,